Let's get more familiar with variables and data types. I create another macro, sub my macro, and start defining them. For example, int I as integer for whole number, dim byt, which means byte, b as byte, dim sng as single, and one as string, dim strs as string. Alright, so inside of I could define it as an example, int I equal 5 for byte, byte b equal 10, sngs equal 6.78, and strs equal to text. And because it is the string, we have the inside of codes. Okay, if I run everything, it is fine. But if I start showing with message box the values, message box, and I, of course, gonna show my first value. It is fine. How about define 5.2? Let's try it will give error or not. It is not giving any error, but there is no decimal. How about 5.9? It is getting 6. Why is happening? Because we defined int I as integer, and integer it is whole number. It's actually using the round. Round mean if it is less than 5, something like 5.49 even, it will remove smaller than half. And if it is 0.5 or larger, it's round up to the next digit, which it is 6. So automatically gonna round it 5.59. Still it is getting 6. If I set 0.2, as will trim or remove the decimal. So keep it in mind, it won't give error, but will round it. Also about byte, it's working same. And let's say this time show this one. 10.8 gonna be 11. So that's gonna round up automatically. And if I type 100, it's still gonna show you. But if I type 1000, because the byte could only store between 0 to 255, it will give you error. It is overflow, so you cannot store more than 255. The top value it is 255. If I set 256, again will give you the error of overflow. If your value it is more than this, you could of course store inside of, as an example, int I as an integer. Let's say 5000, doesn't matter. It will store it and of course gonna show you. Also, you cannot store negative numbers inside of bytes. Again, overflow. But you could store here inside of integer, which it is support negative numbers. Single could store up to 6 digits. 2, 4, 6 for the decimal places. But if I start add more, again gonna round up 2, 4, 6, and as you see, it won't give error. It will automatically round it up again up to 6 digits. So keep it in mind. And finally, of course, the string will store any string values. And note that if I give some digits, pure digits like 8, and run it, it won't give error. It will show the values of 8 but as string. It is not digit, it is the string or text of 8, which I will mention later on the next video. So 8 like that, it is similar exactly like this.